Luxurious U-shaped single-story home with central courtyard in high-end, Mediterranean style. Step inside this exquisite U-shaped, single-story residence where the heart of the home is a central courtyard that epitomizes high-end Mediterranean luxury. In this video, viewers are invited to explore a stunning example of modern Mediterranean architecture, characterized by an elegant layout that offers an open-concept luxury home seamlessly fusing indoor and outdoor spaces. The Mediterranean-inspired interiors, paired with timeless aesthetics, create a space that is as sophisticated as it is comfortable, making it an ideal retreat for those who appreciate the finer things in life. This luxurious dwelling is expertly designed to facilitate easy indoor-outdoor living. At its core is the inviting courtyard retreat that not only illuminates the home with abundant, natural light but also instills a sense of tranquility throughout the expansive U-shaped layout. The Mediterranean landscape design, along with refined architectural details, contribute to the home's warm and welcoming atmosphere, ensuring it remains a functional yet opulent setting. For enthusiasts of upscale home features, or those envisioning a resort-style Mediterranean abode, this architectural masterpiece serves as the ultimate source of inspiration. The stylish open-air courtyard and the sophisticated exterior of the home are complemented by minimalist luxury decor, creating a courtyard sanctuary that captivates with its breathtaking beauty. From the grand design of the entrance to the high-end villa inspirations that are evident in its construction, this residence redefines the modern elegance standard. Through a harmonious blend of traditional Mediterranean charm and contemporary design elements, the property offers a serene escape from the mundane, making every moment spent here feel like a lavish getaway. amidst the backdrop of this beautifully curated environment. Each detail, from the lush greenery of the courtyard to the villa-inspired architectural nuances, enhances the aesthetic appeal and emotional resonance of the space. The synergy between indoor and outdoor areas is palpable, offering a lifestyle that is both luxurious and effortlessly connected to nature. By watching the full tour, you will be inspired by the latest trends in luxury home design and potentially envision your own interpretation of Mediterranean opulence. This home exemplifies a unique blend of elegance and function, providing an idyllic setting that effortlessly melds the timeless allure of Mediterranean style with the innovations of modern architecture.